Can't get off. The first fish of the year. Even though it's my second. That first one was a dink. I could have caught this guy with that first one. But there we go. On the board, guys. Little bass on the crawl. Show you exactly what crawl I was using here in a second. It's just one of these little plastic crawls. They're like dirt cheap. I think they're $2 at Walmart. They're made by Ozark Trail. Got one. A little bigger than the last one. Oh. I knew they were here, guys. It's just a matter of time before I found them. About the same size, a little different. Look at that little black spot on his tail. That's cool. Cool. Nice little bass. Kind of warm.